Hi there, thanks for watching. Just want to go through my progress with this free traffic formula system. Yes, this is amazing stuff, and I've already earned over $1,000 with this system, and I've only been using it for less than 2 weeks. 12 days into using this system from getting set up, I've just gone and done everything I possibly could, worked with the traffic, shared my excitement on different social media platforms naturally, and over $1,000 I've earned in commissions using this system. I'm really pleased. So this is my power lead system, what I've been able to earn. So gold members coming in, also earning from the diamond member upgrades, gold. As you can see, guys, a lot of activity. I had another diamond, so I've had a couple of diamonds there and there as well, $100 commission there, some customers as well. So as you can see, going right the way down, so right the way down to here. Before this I hadn't really been using power lead system that much, but I just love this system because you know, the reason why we're using the power lead system is because this entire share code with the entire funnel, all branded to us, has been created for us, not by me, but and allowing us to brand the whole system. And the one single share code just simply brings everything in and makes it so easy for us to get set up with. But obviously the traffic itself is 100% free. Okay, you can use this to generate traffic to any website, and you can make your own funnels if you want to, if you've got a better system you prefer to use. But Power Lead system is absolutely fantastic. I've set up the Power Lead system with their new feature that allows us to connect our own Gmail account. It really helps with deliverability, and I'm able to get my emails into the inboxes of all my members very easily as well. So I'm getting that much higher conversion rates with this. As you can also see here, I'm getting so many leads. I must be getting 30-40 leads per day coming in, a huge number of leads. Probably, yeah, it's still morning time today. But you know, every single day I'm getting a large number of maybe 20-30 leads. I'm not quite sure, I'm not really counting, but I'm well over, you know, I'm almost 500 leads now in 2 weeks. So using this system, this is just simply, you know, feeding the tank, building your mailing list, having people to communicate with about your businesses. As you can see, I've also earned commission on our viral traffic rush system, which is very powerful because with viral traffic rush, the way it works, it has such a very powerful viral mechanism that allows you to the system will have all your downline have your banner of your choice, or whatever company or other company you're promoting, listed on, you know, hundreds of people's websites. Okay, so because as I'm building this, naturally I'm building the one single funnel. I'm getting literally several hundred people viewing my banners because they're sharing this out, and your banner gets listed down multiple levels, so that when you bring new people through this system, new leads, and they want to get set up with this, your banner is going to be listed right the way down 5 levels deep, and they're going to be clicking on those banners, because the only way they can get access to this viral system is by, you know, making sure that they actually click on those 5 banners upline from you. So this is very viralized. So I'm getting a lot of hits from this. I'm also getting a lot of referrals into viral traffic rush. So people are really, you know, starting to use this viral system. So it's very powerful. And the other thing is that what I've found is I've just switched out my new program that I wanted to put into viral traffic rush, which is called So Many Hits. And I switched this out yesterday, and already this is really converting fantastically. This is my choice of business. This is my own personal choice, but it gives me a lot of hits. It's very powerful, very viralized as well. And I've decided to put this into my viral traffic rush link to promote. Since yesterday, I've already had a lot of leads that I was able to communicate with, people coming through the funnel automatically. So yeah, as you can see, guys, every single day I'm just earning. My only day I didn't earn was Friday, and that's fine. But every day I'm earning, and I'm just loving this system. It's very, very easy to work with, very easy to use. I need to scale things down simply because I'm having a few health issues that I need to overcome, and I like this system because it works well with me. I have to say the days of creating my own systems and working too hard on certain things, are going to be over. Really, I love running my YouTube channel here, and it's easy to run, and I love doing this system. It's very easy. It's not my system. The funnel was created for us. It just makes my whole life much, much easier. And my goal simply with this simple funnel system is to simply earn $2,000 a month, and I'm already hitting my goals because it's even less than 2 weeks now, and I've already earned over $1,000. And the good news is with the Power Lead system, for example, these commissions are all monthly commissions. So I'm earning per month from the members that are joining my team, which is great because that becomes a passive income ongoing. And building that up, the money commissions automatically get loaded onto my global cash card because that's what we get with using the Power Lead system. My whole running of my business is just like automated as well. And if I want to scale this up and start purchasing paid traffic, which I'm planning on doing very soon, I can just use the funds that I'm earning from within my business very easily and just purchase good quality traffic. I've got some great plans, and also the training within the funnel itself has some great plans if you want to scale this up. Using paid traffic, but that's not the requirement. You're not required to use paid traffic. The whole point of this is you can continue using the free traffic, and that's what I've been using up until now. Yes, of course, I do have a large following on social media, but as I keep saying to everyone, that's because I took action. That's what we've all been told that. I was recommended by my sponsor in various programs to take action on social media, so I did. I'm a simpleton. I follow advice and I take action, and I see a lot of people doing that. And those are the people who are going to make this work, because they are the kind of people who are ready to take action. And that's why you see me upload videos onto YouTube. That's why my YouTube is taking off. That's why things are happening well for me, because I decided to take action, and that's why I'm committed to tell people to take action, so that things are going to work well for you. And it's going to work better for you if you do use these social media platforms or any platform that you're currently using in addition to the free traffic. It's just going to make things work that little bit better for you. So use whatever resources you have access to and you've been using and you've been building up. By all means, let me know if there's anything working for you. And I know there are people who've, and that was another reason why I decided to go with so many hits, because my sponsor actually recommended this to me, and he was actually saying to me, this was absolutely fantastic as a choice of business, because within the funnel we have various places where we can add in our own personal choice of business. I decided to put this in there because my sponsor said that he's been getting a lot of hits from this, and he was absolutely right. This is a very powerful, very viral system. I'm amazed with what they have in the back office with this system. Let me just go and show you quickly what they have actually, because for those of you who already got started with my funnel system, if you're looking for a good system that converts with this funnel, check this out, guys. This is my back office. I only joined yesterday, I was able to set up different links. This has got nothing to do with the actual traffic I'm actually getting to so many hits itself. This is a link that I set up, and I hadn't really used this link anywhere except Cash Juice. But let me show you the stuff that we get to advertise this very powerful system. We've got banners. We've even got full-blown funnels here. You don't have to set anything up with this. I'm brand new to this, but it's already taking off. Where is it? I'm in the wrong place. Advertising. Splash pages, for example. Capture pages. I'm amazed that they've actually got capture pages here. And what that means is that you're actually building a mailing list, and they actually brand it and send out mailings on your behalf. And you can obviously have access to these leads. This page is still loading. But the amazing thing about this is that you're actually building what they call, I think they call it traffic lines or something like that. So every time you sponsor one person, that will create what they call a traffic line. And that one person needs to pass up two of their leads to their upline before they start building their traffic line. So every new person that you sponsor will always pass up two people to their sponsor. So if I sponsor one person, that person will and they get excited about this, they will send me two leads, and then after that they will have full control of their own list. From that point on, they get to build their own traffic line, and when they sponsor their first person, that downline member will pass up two leads to their sponsor, and so on. So you're going to eventually, you could have 40 people sponsored or whatever, or 20 or 10 or whatever, but each time you sponsor a single person, that creates this viral traffic line who will all send you leads. So this already is really converting quickly. So I highly recommend putting that in there, because there's a lot of great capture pages, landing pages, ways to promote this. It all looks very, very nice indeed. So anyway, like I said, I just didn't want to make this video too long, but I just want to say that I've now passed $1,000 in commissions in my first 2 weeks, within my first 2 weeks, in 12 days. I'm very pleased with it. I'm very excited. We're using free traffic, guys. This is what you can focus on. You don't need to focus on paid traffic with this. You can leverage that up later on when you start generating commissions with this, and that's what I highly recommend. But this is an absolute no-brainer, and this is what I've decided to focus on. It's very much me, and it works with my current situation. As I say, I am suffering a little bit from a little bit of stress at the moment, personal issues. So this just works very well with my lifestyle, and I've decided I can't keep an eye on too many things. I can't really focus on building marketing systems for different companies. I've gone more towards this side, which is slightly a mix of affiliate businesses and tools and systems that anybody needs. It's very easy to run. I didn't create this funnel, so I don't have to provide a huge amount of support, but obviously to my own personal team, I will be providing. That's where I'll be applying my focus, and also, which is what I like to do. And also, we've got a great Facebook group that I want to focus on. This is a nice place to be able to, communicate with the family in the Facebook group. Great people are coming in there, really nice, a lot of good atmosphere. And the guy who created this funnel, Ahmed, he's a great guy, very, very nice guy, and you'll find his training very, very genuine. He's a really friendly guy, really down to earth, and I just love this whole system. Okay, anyway, thanks very much for watching. Talk soon, and see you on the inside. Bye for now.